to biology, the study of life. Subfields of ecology. Ecology can be divided into areas of study ranging from ecology of individual organisms to the dynamics of ecosystems and landscapes. While each of these subfields has some unique terminology and scientific concerns, modern ecological studies increasingly cross the boundaries between traditional separate areas. Organisms ecology, which may be subdivided into the disciplines of physiological ecology, evolutionary ecology, and behavioral ecology, concerns how an organism structure, physiological or physiology, and for animals behavior meet the challenge posed by the environment. A population is a group of individuals of the same species living in a particular geographic area. Population ecology concentrates mainly on factors that affect how many individuals of particular species live in an area. A community consists of all the organisms of all the species that inhabit a particular area. It is an assemblage of populations of many different species. Those community ecology deals with the whole array of interacting species in a community. This area of research focuses on how interactions such as predation, competition and disease, as well as abiotic factors such as disturbance, affect community structure and organization. An ecosystem consists of all the abiotic factors in addition to the entire community of species that exist in a certain area. An ecosystem, a lake for example, may contain many different communities. In ecosystem ecology, the emphasis is on energy flow and chemical cycling among the various biotic and abiotic components. Landscape ecology deals with arrays of ecosystem. Just two examples are a corridor of trees lining a river following through a sparsely vegetated plain, or beaches of coral reef surrounded by a turtle grass, and how they are arranged in a geographic region. Every landscape or seascape consists of a mosaic of different types of patches and environmental characteristic of ecologists refer to an patchiness. Landscape ecological research focuses on the factors controlling exchange of energy, materials, and organisms among the ecosystem. Patching or patches making up a landscape or seascape. The biosphere is the global ecosystem, the sum of all the plants ecosystems. This broadest area of ecology includes the entire portion of Earth inhabited by life, the atmosphere to an altitude of several kilometers, the land down to and including water-bearing rocks at least 3 kilometers below ground, lakes and streams, caves, and the oceans to a depth of several kilometers. An example of research at the biosphere level is the analysis of how changes in atmospheric CO2 concentration may affect Earth's climate and in turn all life.